Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sumangal and I am working at Girk Maternity and Surgical Hospital. Today is episode number 7 of our pregnancy talks. Today, continuing with it, now we want to talk about the early pregnancy scanning. So when we see you at the first visit, we ask you about your history, then we do the blood test, and then we suggest you an ultrasound scan. The ultrasound scan done in early pregnancy is either an abdominal scan or a transvaginal scan, that is what we call as an internal scan. So this scan is done usually at around 7 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, that is around the time when your second month is going to finish. But if you have any pain or any bleeding is there, then we have to do it early. So what do we do in this first scan? The things that we do on this scan is how much is the time of pregnancy, whether the pregnancy is in the uterus, or sometimes the pregnancy can be located outside the uterus, that is an ectopic pregnancy. Thirdly, can we see the heartbeat of the baby, and what is the size of the baby? Is it corresponding to the time of the pregnancy or not? So we check these things on the scan, and then in case there is any problem or if the baby is not growing properly, then we might have to suggest another scan. Also on this first scan, we can diagnose if it is a single pregnancy or twins or anything more than that. Then we can see on the first scan itself. Sometimes like if there is only 7 to 10 days above your periods and we are doing an ultrasound, we may not be able to tell exactly what is happening because the size of the baby is very small and it does not fit the criteria that we have for miscarriage. So we might have to tell you that we need to repeat the scan in 7 to 14 days to confirm the viability of pregnancy. Next, we'll continue next video. Thank you.